Okay, what I'm about to do here is show how I cut in the file jimping lines here on the back of this knife. And I've blackened the area that I'm going to put those cuts in. And I've got a start point here and approximate end point here. Now, what I use is a rotary tool with a diamond wheel in it to start and initially make the cuts, and then I finish them up with a diamond file. Anyway, all right, so here we go. Get my ears on right here. I'm just making the initial cut. And then we'll go back with the file. And keep everything good and square. So let me show you how that gets the first couple of cuts. Let's see if I can get myself on there. There we go. So that'll open them right up here. And we just go all the way along the lines here. And I'll keep going till about right here. But I'll just take that diamond rotary tool. I have a foot control on this one. And just very carefully make each cut. And then finish it up with the triangle file. Okay, so I got them all cut now. And wipe down a little bit, get all that filing marks, stuff out of there. So we'll just finish up a little bit more with opening them up. I've already opened up quite a bit of these lines already, but I just wanted to give them a little bit more widening. I'm going to show what these look like when it's done. Alright, that's pretty much it. So this is before heat treating. I do all this stuff before, so it doesn't ruin the files, because naturally the hardened blade is going to be tough on a file. But that's about what it's going to come out to be. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you in the next one.